Welcome to the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. And in this part, we're going to stretch our luminance and prepare it to be combined with our RGB data. So if we unstretch and restretch, it looks very blotchy because we did a bunch of denoising, so always happens after we do that. So we're going to open up our STF, we're going to track that, and we're just going to bump this up a little bit so it looks a little bit better for us. And right in there is probably good. And the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to open up our histogram transformation. We're going to reset it. We've got our luminance clone. We're going to drag this onto it. And then we're going to preview it, undo our stretch. And then we're just going to make a couple final tweaks where we're just going to pull that in a little bit. Maybe clip a little bit off the end here, not a ton. Brighten up that nebula. Don't want to bring it in too much. I think right in there is probably going to be good. We're going to apply it. Close out our preview. And that is our stretched luminance, which looks pretty good to me. We can close out our histogram transformation, and in the next part we'll combine this with our RGB data and see what we get. So with that, I'm going to say thanks everybody for watching. Hope you found it informative. As always, clear skies, and have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.